इन्विटेशन पे आप कुछ
सब क्या बोलना चाहते हैं सब कि 25th June everybody know is Seafarers Day and we celebrate all over the world. Now already meeting started 3 p.m. Pakistan time. I will tell also something. Now today everybody know today is the 10th anniversary of this one. We encourage everyone inside the maritime community that this year's topic is seafarers as a key workers of the maritime history, maritime community. Now I will tell you something, two things. Now I will discuss also in this STCW and also I will discuss regarding the criminalization. Okay, now before I come to my topics of seafarers, I will tell you 2-3 things important. The first thing I will tell on the seafarers' hectic life. Seafarers' hectic life and work on sea is very different from the shore people. Why? Because here we have too much restrictions, and everything after 2010, after the Manila amendments, lot of restriction, short courses and rest hours and lot of things. Okay, I especially request from all the members of the world that take care of seafarers. Okay, now second thing I will discuss regarding the STCW is better take some ease rules on STCW, because previous STCW 78-1995 was easy and written that STCW 1978-95 and all the previous practices will remain valid. Also, I have seen that they have written that once a certificate issued, the convention does not require the period to undergo training, same training again and again. It will be assumed that a regular boat and file drills will be held on board ship. Now, I tell to everybody, for officer, pilot, professor, doctor and engineers and other authorities, if you want to implement this small thing in the merchant navy, so better you do same thing for the other doctors, for other, understand? No? Better make some harmonized system. No need to do PSC course and these courses again and again. Just make some 2-3 days or 4 days classes and put everything and one harmonized course we pass and revalidate our certificate. Now we are going again same thing again and again, 6 days, 7 days is wrong. Okay, now something I will tell you regarding the come out nowadays. Now is a big pandemics. I tell you, pandemics, CYD. Now in these days, seafarers helps and I tribute, everybody tribute these days and these jobs to seafarers, because everybody acknowledge their jobs. Understand? Now, second thing I will discuss regarding the seafarers heroes. They are heroes not nowadays for the global community, despite lot of works. Understand? In the good time, bad time, still they are working and nobody create problems on board. Understand? Nobody create problem on board and everybody is working in good condition. Okay, now the second thing I will discuss to you regarding the criminalization. In the criminalization, I want to discuss that we must take care of seafarers, because we have to talk, everybody must talk in a nice way. World global community, world global trade, seafarers, 80% of the world trade, who is doing? Seafarers is doing. Understand? Who is doing? In this COVID-19 coronavirus, we are very happy from all seafarers that they are working with good determination, passion, enthusiasm all the time, and I highly appreciate to all seafarers of good attitude, aptitude all the times. Understand? IMO also stated that 80%, please listen, IMO stated that 80% of the goods are traded via sea. Okay? Now, IMO Secretary General Mr. Lim also told, what they told? There's like other key workers, seafarers are on the front line. Seafarers are on the front line in this global fight, and they are too much take care and they will further take care, IMO clearly stated. Okay, now seafarers have also played an essential role in maintaining the flow of the goods. Understand? Flow of the goods via supply chain management. Understand? So everybody is considered. ठीक है ना, as a key workers in the fight of COVID-19 and other corona and other fights, everybody is thankful of seafarer for putting their life in essential goods for the safety of the ship and environment. Now the last thing I want to tell, okay, the last thing I will tell, okay, goals, the seafarer goals. I will tell you, seafarers have one team and one goal. We have always one team and one goal. Okay, now our goal, you have, for the seafarer, you are also seafarer, I am telling to you, you have to have a good goal. You have got to have a good goal and a target, because if you don't have a good target, it is hard to tell you when you will reach it. Furthermore, I am telling to you, there is no goal. What should you focus on? Assure on a superior execution in shipping. Understand? Okay, now I tell you something to you also. You are also seafarer. It is important for us and also for you that you must stick with your all goals, all ambition of shipping, and do not alter them after encountering any obstacle on board. Understand na? It is wise for you. It is wise for you and for us. Understand na? To be ready to change our goals, ambition, shipping targets, all the targets in the environment. We are all seafarers and are key workers. We are all seafarers and everybody is key workers, and hard time and sea we must follow the rules and regulation, and always we follow our rules and regulation. Understand now? This is a happy seafarer day, and I tribute to our maritime community. But finally my target is seafarers are key workers. Authorities must maintain two things. First, STCW little ease, so everybody can take care proper short courses in time, harmonized system. And second thing, no more serious criminalization. Everybody human error, anybody can do human error, understand na? Not only, but seafarers always scared, I will go jail and this. No, nothing. We must take care of seafarers, that take and call and talk always in a polite way, understand na? Hoping to be favored by your excellent consideration from the authority, and thanking you anticipation in the reflection of the skill of seafarer carriers. Thank you, Captain Adwan Mahmoodi. Thank you, everybody. Bye, sir.